What's tea? It's your girl Latanique Sharde and I'm back.
Got to do with it.
Today I'm bringing y'all a video and showing you how to finesse a braided wig. Yes, this is a wig. This is a wig, honey. Get into her. A wig. Now let me give you the details on this hair. This hair is from PoshGlad Braided Wigs. I'm gonna put their Instagram and their website right here. All the information will be linked down below. They're based in Lagos. Lagos. I don't even know how to say it correctly, but Nigeria. That's where they from. They sent me this wig. They sent me 2 other wigs before. I'm gonna insert a clip here and a clip here, showing y'all the other wigs they sent me. Bomb, top quality, hands down. Nobody's touching them when it comes to the braided wigs. I don't care who it is. Not touching. But yes, they sent me this wig over for me to do another review. And if you have not seen any of my braided wig reviews or anything else, stop what you're doing. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Period. Like, comment, and subscribe. Because your girl bringing y'all the tea when it comes to this hair. The wig is braided to perfection. Let me show y'all these braids. Top quality, and it has beads. Period, honey. Yes, but we ain't gonna do too much talking. Gonna get right into the video. What's tea, y'all? Okay, this is how the packaging looks. They always give you a box for your wig. They give you a satin bag that your wig is gonna come in. Now this satin bag literally holds the tea. This is how the bag looks. PoshGlad Braided Wigs. Yes, inside the bag you always gonna get a bonnet. You always gonna get a mask. They always try to keep the girl protected, honey. And the bonnet is always big enough for your wig, because them braids be heavy. Get into the wig, honey. Braided to perfection, straight from Lagos, Nigeria, honey. You cannot come for them top tier when it comes to the braiding. Period. This is a full lace wig, honey. Full lace, 20 give scalp from top to bottom. It comes with combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Okay, y'all see the braid around? That is the braid for your baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out because I need to make sure everything is sitting how I need to sit. Period. Okay, before I put the wig on my head, I'm gonna go in with some makeup. I like to use LA Girl Pro. I use the color medium beige, and I'm just gonna put that around the entire inside of the cap so I can be giving scalp realness when I put this wig on. Okay, now I'm gonna try the wig on because I need to make sure it's sitting how I need to sit. And one thing, let me tell you, one thing I can't say about PoshGlad, when you tell them what size head you have, baby, the wig is gonna fit to the T. I don't even be needing to use the combs, adjustable straps, nothing. I don't need to use none of that because the wig always fits perfectly. Literally, it ain't too tight, it ain't too loose, it's literally just right. What y'all see me doing right here, I'm pulling the cap up, making sure it's covering my actual ball cap. So when I get to cutting my ear tabs, I can make sure, like, you know, I ain't cutting too much. I don't need to make nothing stretch because I don't got time for that. And as you can see, I cut the ear tab and I'm making sure it's sitting, it's comfortable. And if I gotta cut into the hair, I'm cutting into the hair because I do not like when stuff bother my ears. That's just an annoying situation that I ain't got time for. Making sure everything fit. Okay, now that I got everything fitting, I'm taking it off and I'm gonna cut off that extra lace. Now, ladies, you want to cut off the extra lace because you do not need all the extra lace in your way. When you're laying your glue down, you need to be able to see where you're finna lay. And extra lace is just getting away, and it's gonna make your wig look a mess. And we're finessing this wig. This wig needs to look like scalp, and extra lace is not gonna do. Okay, as you can see, I'm sitting it on my head, making sure it sit where I need to sit. I'm checking. Like I said, cut all that extra lace off because you do not need it. Cut the extra lace off as close as you can to the baby hairs. And when it comes to a braided wig, we can't, you know, lose no baby hairs. Okay, we make sure everything fit. The glue that I am using is by the Beautiful Hustler, the BH Slay. Y'all always ask me what glue I use when it comes to my braided wigs. BH Slay, because it's going to give me that hold that I need, period. Okay, now let me tell you this: when you're putting your wig on and you're doing your wig, you need to make sure you have a good enough layer that it's not like a little skinny line. No, it need to be a good enough layer. You need to thin it out. It need to sit right. You don't need no bulky ass, thick ass glue because it's not gonna be cute and your wig is not gonna lay how it needs to lay. So you need to get a nice layer and you need to thin it out. I think I did like 3 to 4 layers. Okay, Now, when I'm putting my wig on, you see me pulling it forward, I'm going to place that glue place the lace right where the glue in or a little bit before, okay? You want to make sure you cover all the glue because going back and cleaning up glue is not a great thing to do. Okay, you see me? Put it right where the glue in or a little bit before if need be and press it in. That's what you want to do, sis. You don't want to put it behind the glue because you put it behind the glue, then you is going to be looking a pickle and it's not going to give what it's supposed to give. Okay? Again, I go ahead and press it in with my little 1, 2.
From Nigeria, right? It's like, why is y'all in my business like that? Why y'all telling people what I'm gonna do?
Anyways, y'all, right here you see me adding glue to the lace that did not get glued down. Now, when it comes to a braided wig, you want to glue that lace down. If it was a regular wig, I would have just cut it off and made my baby hairs. But this already has baby hairs, and you do not want to get rid of no baby hairs with a braided wig. You need the baby hairs. I'm going in with my Ultimate Male Belt from the BH Slay, y'all, period. And I'm going to use my lace glider to cut my baby hairs. A lace glider is basically razor on one end, comb on the other. Your little woody wide waddy boo. Cutting baby hairs out my face because they're just too long and I'm not going to deal with it. Right here, this is how you get the finesse. I'm taking the powder that I use for my makeup and I'm going to put powder in between all those parts that's showing in the front. And if I had somebody in the back, I'll have them doing the back for me too. But we focused on the front right now, so I'm going to put powder in every part that you could possibly see, okay? Just so I can make it finesse and look like a scalp. Because that structured straight part, no, it's not giving. And I needed to get, this is how you get the perfect finesse, honey. The perfect finesse. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my Ultimate Melt Belt off, period. Y'all see the girl already giving scalp. Honey, okay? And when it comes to these baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and pluck because that's just a little too much baby hairs for me. I don't need all that baby hairs, okay? And when it comes to braids, me personally, when I do my braided wigs, I like for my baby hairs to look natural and flow. And all that extra thick ass baby hair is not going to do it. Okay, we done plucking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my baby hairs. Yes, I got this from Ariel Tay. Y'all stay tuned for the video on that. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the full tea when it comes to that class, honey, and the wig that I won from them. Anyways, back to the video. I'm just gonna curl out my baby hairs, period. Now that I'm done curling them, I'm finna take my edge brush, and I use Hairspray to lay them, but I'm finna take my edge brush so I can like get an idea how I want my baby hairs to lay, where I want this to swoop, that to swoop, you all about the woo. If I need to pluck a little bit more, take something away, I do that so I don't just like lay my baby hairs down, then I'll be like, oh hell no, I don't like that. So that's what I do, like you see me doing, period. I want that the little swoopy through. I need that one to go whoopty wide, wide full, yup. So I'm gonna do that and figure out where I want to lay, and then I'm gonna lay these baby hairs. Now I'm taking my hairspray by Sebastian, and I'm just gonna use that to lay my baby hairs. We're gonna do a little swoopty, swoopty. Put them aside as a movie. I know he say whoopty, don't cover me. Yep, and I want my baby hairs to be super soft. Like I don't want no crunchy ass baby hairs. Now sometimes I need my baby hairs to be like stuck to my head so I can make sure they don't move like when I do a certain type of look. But for the braids, I want them to be like super natural. I want them to just flow, little swoop, 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 swoop. Period. Okay. Now, y'all want to use a good amount of hairspray because you want it to train. You basically finna train it. Now I'm gonna take my lace glider and I'm gonna cut off some of that hair because it's just too much, and I'm gonna swoop it. Now when it comes to the braids, this is how you get a finesse. You need to swoop it into a braid. Don't let it just sit on the lace. Swoop it like it's literally flowing into the braid. Take a little bit of gel, rub it onto where the braid is, and now it's gonna look like it's flowing literally into the braid, like your hair got braided up like that. That's how you get the perfect finesse when it comes to the baby hairs with the braids. Don't let nobody put no baby hairs just sitting on no lace, and it's gonna look a pickle, okay? And a pickle, I mean sour. It's not gonna look cute. It's not gonna give what it's supposed to give. So you wanna put a little bit of gel, make sure it's swooping how it's supposed to. And that's how you get the perfect finesse. You see the girl, I'm giving very much scalp, very much soft baby hairs, very much just got my hair braided. Period. Catch me on IG and TikTok.
Got to do with it.